ಊರ್ಕಡೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ನಾನು ಪಾಸ್ ಇದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಡ್ರಾಯರ್. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡ್ರಾಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟೆ. Any memos?
My lord, one memo submission, my lord, file ಮಾಡಿ more than 2 weeks ಆಗಿದೆ, my lord. ಇನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸಿಕ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, my lord. More than 7 months is in custody, my lord. Kindly tomorrow, my lord. Kindly tomorrow.
My lord, there is a submission, my lord. It's been almost like month, my lord. Orders post agi. They say the file is missing, my lord. 26, and yesterday I have spent more than 3 hours to search the file. We didn't get the file, my lord.
File missing ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಳೆ.
Kindly I request to post it tomorrow itself, my lord.
Yes.
Thank you, my lord.
Any adjournment? List 1, page 1.
Serial number 1, my lord. Senior out of station idare. 1 week ಅಷ್ಟೇ time, my lord.
Almost 2 or 3 adjournments.
Sir, it is posted finally. Pass over.
Serial number 3, Your Honor. Praise time for final honor.
Pradesh Salagide. Counsel for the petitioner, praise for time. Yes.
Page 2, serial number 7 to 14. Page 3, serial number 15 to 24.
Serial number 22, my lord. Senior is out of station, so seeking for answer. 17, my lord.
Nimde
22.
22. First time. Praise for time. 17.
17, my lord.
Yes.
Senior is not in this station.
Praise for time. Next. Then counsel for the petitioner, praise for time.
Page 4, serial number 25 and 26. List 1, page 1, serial number 1, pass over. 2, Egun Prabhu.
Lord, I pray for the petition, my lord. My lordship, this petition is out of the PCR. It was filed in the year 2000.
Accused number?
I am accused number 2, my lordship.
In all, how many accused?
There are 22 accused, my lordship.
Offense?
Offense 420, 406, my lordship.
PCR number?
PCR number 162 of 2021.
162.
Yes, my lordship.
Of
2021.
21.
My lordship. And crime number is 109 of 2022. Accused number 1 has already obtained the anticipatory bail. Accused number 1 and 12, my lordship.
1 is on anticipatory.
Anticipatory bail, and 12 is also an anticipatory bail, my lordship.
Then why are here?
No, my bail was rejected, my lordship.
No, this petitioner is accused number 2.
Yes, my lordship. Accused number 1, anticipatory bail was granted before the trial, before the sessions.
Why it was rejected to you?
That, my lordship, reason given by what this is a serious offense cannot be considered. That is the reason given by the
Where
sessions.
is the order?
The page number 39, my lordship. And there was a similar petition filed by the same accused, against the same accused by the same complainant, which was which was, my lordship, same accused, my lordship, which was again a PCR was filed, and which was numbered as 20 of 2022, my lordship.
For what offense?
For same offense, my lordship. And my lordship, this honorable court had granted bail in that case, my lordship. As per
Or anticipated bail?
anticipatory was granted. Anticipatory was granted on the copy of the anticipated bail, my lordship, would be.
Where is the order granting anticipated bail to accused number 1?
1, yes, my lordship. Madam. And this anticipated bail was granted on 18 August 2022, my lordship.
22.
Yes, my lordship. And for accused number 12 also, it was the same date.
The final report is already filed by the police.
Final report was, in that observation is made that, in that bail petition, that is preliminary investigation has been done.
No, that was in 2022.
Yes, my lordship.
What is the position now?
Now it is in the same crime stage only, my lordship.
Give it. You have not produced it before the sessions court.
No, my lordship.
Why?
No, I didn't get it.
According to you, accused number 1 is already granted.
No, that was not,
anticipated.
not produced before the
Why,
trial.
Ian?
No, I'm not aware because I was not before the this thing.
I am asking the petitioner,
No, my lordship.
whoever may be the advocate.
No, this petition was not produced and even,
Any advocate, the first thing he will do is.
no, I'm not
produce the
blaming, I'm not blaming on him, but there should be object.
No, I am not also blaming anybody, sir.
Yeah.
Generally, if a
Yes.
co-accused is granted
Yes, my
anticipatory
lord.
bail, first thing to be done is produce that order.
Yes, my lord.
Here it is not
It
produced.
is not produced.
Why? Ian?
Not aware.
Good.
One and 12, my lordship. And
1
this,
and
1 and 12. Anticipated was granted.
1 and 12.
12, yes.
How many accused are there?
22 accused, my lordship. Total.
In
20
this case?
Yes, my lordship.
What about others?
Others, they have not moved any application till now.
This Chetan is accused number 1.
Yes, my lord. Input ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Share ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. This was the order, my lordship, one more PCR by the same complainant. Wherein bail was granted, anticipated bail was granted. Lordship, one more PCR which we have previously filed, for that our High Court has given the anticipated bail.
Where is the FIR in that regard?
FIR, I'm not producing.
You are saying that for same offense against the same persons, same complainant
no.
have filed.
The PCR number was different, my lordship.
Maybe, according to you, same complainant has
Yes, my
filed
lordship.
a complaint.
Yes, my lordship.
Should I not verify it?
That was, bail was granted by in.
Bail might have been granted, sir. What is the allegation in that complaint? And
Same
the-
complaint, my lordship, 424/06.
I should know that. Where is the
Lordship, I've produced
FIR
the order of
complaint?
the,
From order, I cannot make. Why don't you produce all the documents? Why you are withholding the selected documents? Otherwise, don't make such submissions when it is not supported by any documents. Yes, what do you say?
Lord, more than 5 crores 55 lakhs have been, my lord, duped by the, my lord, these accused persons, my lord.
Yes,
This petition is concerned, my lord, there is specific allegation is that, my lord, he has been in page number 28 of the complaint, my lord. Next, my lord, 2, ಎರಡನೇ ಆರೋಪಿಯಾದ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಬಿನ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಯ್ಕ so and so ಜಯನಗರ so and so ಖಾತೆಗೆ 23,31,000 ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು PB ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಜಮಾ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. This petition also, the specific allegation is this petition also, my lord. He has duped, my lord, 23 lakhs to 31,000, my lord. For, my lord, this, since from the, my lord, registration FIR, my lord, this petitioner, my lord, is absconding, my lord, is not available for investigation, my lord. Therefore, my lord, for the said recovery, my lord, the custodial interrogation is very much necessary, my lord.
what do you say regarding accused number 1?
My lord, one is concerned, my lord, he is according to the complaint, my lord, ಅವನು ಗುಮಾಸ್ತನನಾಗಿ ನೇಮಿಸಿದ್ದರು ಅಂತ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅವನು A1. ಅವನು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಆರೋಪಿಯಾದ ಚೇತನ್ ಮೇಲ್ಕರ್ ಜನವಾಸ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ತಾಲೂಕು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 27 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನೇ ಆರೋಪಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದನೇ ಆರೋಪಿಯಾದ ಚೇತನ ಸಂಗಡ ಶಾರೀರಿಕಾಗಿ ಸದರಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಆರೋಪಿಯಾದ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಇವರ ತಂದೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಯ್ಕ ಮತ್ತು ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಯ್ಕರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದ 18ನೇ ಆರೋಪಿಯಾದ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಮತ್ತು 3ನೇ ಆರೋಪಿಯಾದ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹಳೆ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎದುರು PB ರಸ್ತೆ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಇವರೊಡನೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಫಿರ್ಯಾದರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫರ್ಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡೋ ದುರುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದುದಾರರಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಹಾಗೂ ವಂಚನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಸಂಚನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದುದಾರರ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ದಿವಾಳಿ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. That is the allegation, my lord. But this petition is concerned, my lord, the specific allegation, my lord, he has been, specific amount has been mentioned, my lord, 23,31,000.
Transferred to the account of his own account,
His own account, my lord, according to
the account of the complainant.
Yes, my lord. By creating, my lord, false documents. My lord. Total, my lord, 5 crores 55 lakhs have been, my lord, of the complainant has been duped.
What is the stage of investigation?
My lord, still it is under investigation, my lord. Since, my lord, these petitions are, my lord, abscond, most of the accused persons are absconding, my lord. The petition, the prosecution cannot file, my lord, charge sheet in time, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
Yes, my lord.
There is a very specific allegations against you, unlike accused number 1. In page 28. It specifically stated that you managed to transfer 23,31,000 to your bank account.
There is no documented proof actually. My PCR
Hmm.
case, they have filed, my lordship. 156 of course, they have referred the matter to police for investigation, my
Yes.
lord.
And there are specific allegations, how you are entitled for anticipatory bail. When the allegations of 424 and 406,
Any
19 are
condition,
made.
custodial interrogation also will be permitted, my lordship. if required.
yes. When custodial interrogation is required, anticipatory bail will not be granted.
No, this thing, still he'll cooperate for all the whatever condition may be imposed.
Sorry, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Petitioner being accused number 2 is seeking grant of anticipatory bail on the apprehension of being arrested. The complainant has filed the private complaint in PCR number 162 of 2021. The learning magistrate took cognizance of the offence and later the FIR in crime number 1 of 9 of 2022 of KTJ Nagar Police Station was came to be registered. It is stated that the investigation is still in progress as many of the accused are still absconding. As per the private complaint, this petitioner concocted documents and managed to get transferred rupees 23,31,000 to his bank account from the account of the complainant and thereby committed the offence. Even though the FIR was registered in the year 2022, the petitioner had never cooperated with the investigating officer. The nature of the allegations requires the custodial interrogation. Hence, I'm of the opinion that he is not entitled for grant of anticipatory bail. Next, on the counsel for the petitioner submitted that accused number 1 is already enlarged on bail and already granted anticipatory bail. And therefore, the petitioner is also entitled for grant of anticipatory bail. The allegations made against accused number 1 is that he was appointed as a clerk by the complainant to look after his business. And initially, he had managed the affairs very well. And later, he suspects that he colluded with other accused and committed the offense. Moreover, accused number 1 approached the Sessions Court seeking grant of bail immediately after registration of the FIR. And under such circumstances, the court granted anticipatory bail subject to conditions. But the conduct of the petitioner discloses that he managed to abscond all these years. And under such circumstances, I am of the opinion that petitioner is not entitled for the benefit of parity. Accordingly, I answer waiver point in the negative and proceed to pass the petition dismissed.
My lord, paragraph from 29, my lordship, allegation against this, against the 12 also, this amount is mentioned, my lordship, inside the anticipated bail is granted, my lordship.
Yes, yes.
I may-
Already dismissed. Dismissed. Next.
Serial number 3, adjourn. 4, Satish Shah.
Appearing for the petitioner in this matter.
Hmm.
My lord, this is 438 application
Yes.
filed on behalf of the petitioner.
Accused number,
My lord, serial number 4, my lord.
accused number.
Accused, this is only one accused, my lord. There is complaint and counter complaint, my lord. And I have filed 438 before trial court, and my application got rejected only for the reason, my lord, that my case is connected to one more case which has been filed by my wife under section 498A. My lord, I may be permitted. My lord,
The complainant in this case.
my lord,
Who is the complainant in this?
de facto complainant is a brother-in-law of the petitioner, my lord. And sister of brother-in-law, that is wife of the petitioner, and petitioner got married around 10 years ago, and they have 2 children.
Sir, brother-in-law,
Brother-in-law of the petitioner, brother-in-law of the husband, wife's brother. De facto complainant is brother-in-law of the petitioner, accused.
Hmm.
And the allegation is that, my lord, he comes and quarrels with his wife frequently after drinking. And the fact is that, my lord, on Ramzan day, the accused has not taken his wife to some place. That is the main allegation. But the habit of the de facto complainant is that always intervening in the life of husband.
your wife sustained injuries, sir.
My lord,
She was admitted to the hospital.
my lord, that is a wrong allegation made on me. My lord,
Cured.
page number 27 may be
Who
perused.
is the injured
Injured is a de facto complainant.
complainant?
As per the complaint allegation, de facto complainant got injury when the knife was thrown.
Hmm.
But there is no statement by the de facto complainant as how the knife has come into the hands of the accused.
That
In
you
fact, the
have to say, sir.
my lord, the
You
knife,
have to say how, from where you got the knife.
my lord, the knife was brought by the de facto complainant himself. My lord, the important reason why my petition under 438 was got rejected before the trial court. My lord, page number 27, my lord. Page number 27. It starts the page number 26, paragraph number 14. In view of the aforesaid facts of the case relating to the present petition and the divergent contention with respect to rulings, at this stage, material appears that the present complainant's sister, Syed Nazia, who is the wife of petitioner, my lord, being the wife of the petitioner in this case, has filed complaint in crime number 52/2024 of Chitradurga Women Police Station against her husband, petitioner herein for the offense under section 498A, 504, 323, read with section 34. My lord, paragraph number 16. Therefore, at this stage, as the investigation is going on and the serious material, prima facie material appears against the
No,
petitioner.
para 15, don't skip that.
Para 15, my lord, very okay. At this stage, as per the copy of medical treatment in the name of Muhammad Ashraf, being the
That
son
is
of
the complainant.
Muhammad Ashraf is the son of the petitioner, my lord. Minor son of the petitioner.
No.
Muhammad Ashraf. Being the son of Abdul Rab, who is the petitioner.
Yes.
Who is the petitioner herein? It reveals that petitioner herein had assaulted his son, Muhammad Ashraf, and thereby multiple injuries over the left shoulder of the child aged 1.5 years. At this stage, the learned public prosecutor has produced photographs showing serious injuries inflicted on the neck of the complainant. In this case, my lord, complainant is brother-in-law. He has produced certain photographs in this case, and also produced the photograph showing serious assault on the vital part, nearby the secret part of the child, and it could be relied upon at this stage in support of other material against a bail petition.
Yes.
Therefore, at this stage, as the investigation is going on and the serious material, prima facie material appears against the petitioner's nature of committing assault against his wife and children, and also the consequent assault, this is present case, my lord, against the complainant pertaining to the present petition, I do not find any reasonable grounds to grant anticipatory bail in favor of the petitioner. My lord, crime number 52, FIR may be perused. 52. The allegations in crime number 52 and allegation in this present petition, my lord, entirely different. My lord, wife ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is section 498A, 504, 506, 323, read with 34. My lord, the alleged incident happened on 27th night. That means 28 early in the morning. ಈ 52 crime number ದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? I may be permitted to read page number 3, my lord. FIR contents. ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/5/2024 ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 11:30 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸೈಯದಾ ನಾಜಿಯಾ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ವೈಫ್, ಗಂಡ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಬ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀ, ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ಹಾಜರಾಗಿ ನೀಡಿದ ಲಿಖಿತ ದೂರಿನ ಸಾರಾಂಶವೇನೆಂದರೆ, ತನ್ನದು ಹಿರೇಗುಂಟುನೂರು ಗ್ರಾಮ ತವರು ಮನೆಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ತನಗೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 7/8/2014 ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಫಾತಿಮಾ ಮಸೀದಿ ಹಿಂಭಾಗ ಅಗಸಿನ ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಳಿ ವಾಸ.
To the relevant portion, sir.
My lord, it's a small paragraph. My lord, here, my lord, ಹೀಗಿರುವಾಗ ದಿನಾಂಕ 28/4/2024 ರಾತ್ರಿ 11:30. My lord, 28/4/2024, the same date, the complainant is giving the complaint saying that there was an assault on him. And here the wife also says that ರಾತ್ರಿ 11:30 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಬಂದ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ, ನೀನ್ಯಾರು ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಕಾಮುಂಡೆ ಕತ್ತೆ ಮುಂಡೆ ಎಂಬ ಅವಾಚ್ಯ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಬೈದು ಕೈಕಾಲ ಹೊಡೆದು, ಇದೇ ಸಮಯದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ತಾಜ್ ಫಾತಿಮಾಳು ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿಗೆ ಅವಾಚ್ಯ. There is no averment about the Taj Fatima, whose name is first time appearing in this FIR, my lord. ನಿನ್ನ ಗಂಡನನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗು, ಇಲ್ಲವಾದರೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಲು ಬಂದ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸೈಯದ್ ಆಜಂ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಗೆ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಬ್ ಇವನು ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಗೆ ಚಾಕುವಿಂದ ಇರಿದಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೋಟೆ ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇದು ದಾಖಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 101, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಗಲಾಟೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಬ್ ತನ್ನ ಮಗು ಅಶ್ರಫ್ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಡಗೈಗೆ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ತನಗೇನು ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ವೈಫ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ತನಗೇನು ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ in the subsequent complaint. Whereas, my lord, page number medical MLC, my lord, maybe it is a concocted MLC, page number, my lord, 32 may be perused. She's admitted in the hospital on 28th. And here she gives complaint stating that on 28th this incident happened. Therefore, it is clearly concocted document. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ತನ್ನ ಮಗು ಅಶ್ರಫ್ಗೆ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಡಗೈಗೆ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ತನಗೇನು ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಗನಿಗೆ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಚಿಗಟೇರಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಕೊಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ದಿನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ದೈಹಿಕ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಹಿಂಸೆ ನೀಡಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ಮತ್ತು ಅವಾಚ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೈದು ಪ್ರಾಣ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿರುವ ತಾಜ್ ಫಾತಿಮಾ ಇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿಸಬೇಕು. My lord, this is the main complaint on which the trial court has relied upon and said that the petitioner has committed serious offense against wife.
Where is the wound certificate of the injured in this case?
My lord, page number 32, my lord. Page number 32 of my petition. This is dated 28/4/2024. The same date this incident is happened, as per crime number 52. My lord, page number 32, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ರೋಗಿಗಳು ಈ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಈ ದಿನ 28/4/2024 ದಾಖಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. My lord, history of assault at so and so time by so and so. Number 1, Syed Azam, who is complainant in crime number
There's
1.
no description of any injury.
ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
There is no
Yes, what is?
Lord, there are 3 injured, my lord. Even, my lord, wife of the, my lord, the petitioner also, my lord, suffered injuries, my lord. Produce, my lord, all the 3 have suffered, my lord, injuries, my lord.
Copy. Copy ilva?
The first one is the complainant, is it?
First one is complainant, second one is
First one is complainant.
father of the
Saeed Zakira.
Syed
He is the complainant.
Yes. Next page, wife of the, my lord, petitioner,
Syed-
Nazia.
Syed
Next
Azam
page,
is complainant.
next page.
Hmm.
So injury on the neck, my lord, and also lacerated wound.
Then third one is son, is it?
ಹೌದು.
My lord, second one is a father-in-law of the petitioner. That is father of complainant. And third one is wife, who says ನನಗೇನು ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿಲ್ಲ 28ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು. And
Who is
28ನೇ
Syed,
Syed Azam is
Azam.
he is a complainant, my lord, de facto complainant.
Zakir Hussain. Saeed Azam is the complainant, my lord. Saeed Zakir Hussain is the injured. Father of the, my lord, the complainant.
Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain.
He is the father-in-law.
Father-in-law, he is not injured.
Father of the complainant.
No,
Father,
injury certificate is here. Sir.
yes.
But in the complaint, there is no such that. ಕೈಯಿಂದ
Who is
ಕಾಲ್
the complainant?
Complainant is, my lord, Saeed Azam.
Ah.
Who is the brother-in-law of the, my lord, the petitioner.
But lacerated wound.
Yes.
For the neck of so exposing deeper.
ಅವರೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Hmm.
ಸೈಯದ್ Azam,
Yes.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ
Have you
ಅಂತ.
sustained any injury?
My lord, yes, my lord, I have filed a complaint, my lord, page number.
Have you sustained any injury?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Where is the wound, sir?
My lord, I have been admitted to the hospital, and in the hospital, my statement has been recorded, my lord.
Hmm.
That my statement, recorded my statement is there, my lord.
Where is his wound certificate?
My lord, page number 35 is my complaint. Page number 35
Hmm.
is my complaint, my lord. FIR. Batmidaru Abdul Rab, that is me, petitioner.
Where is the wound certificate?
My lord, wound certificate, I don't have, my lord, but the statement recorded by the police in the hospital,
Do you
page
have
number
the wound
39, my
certificate?
lord.
Do you have the wound certificate, HCGP?
Oh, my lord, that wound certificate.
Page number 39, my lord. ಅವರು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರಬ್, page number 39, my lord, ಹೇಳಿಕೆ. Here it has clearly been mentioned who has brought the knife and how the
That
injury.
is your version, sir.
ಹೌದು sir.
That is your version. That is your defense. That cannot be taken into consideration at this stage.
My lord, the statement is recorded by
Simply
the,
because you are got admitted to the hospital without any wound certificate. How can I accept that?
my lord, but they have produced wound certificate
Yes.
wherein the complainant in crime number 52 says that ನನ್ಗೇನು ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, and
but
she gets admitted to the hospital.
See, we are concerned now regarding crime number 101 of 2024,
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
not about anything else.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Yes.
And 101 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 438 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
But the incident that had occurred on 28/4/2024,
ಹೌದು
in all
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
3 FIRs were registered. One by your brother-in-law, one
ಹೌದು
by your wife, and the other one is by you.
Howದು Swami?
Yes.
But my wife has filed a complaint on first
They-
of May, first of
But
May.
SCGP produces 3 wound certificates. But you do not have any wound certificate.
But wound certificate ಅವರು ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ
Applications
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್
ಏನು
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನನ್ಗೇನ್ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
That is 52, sir.
52 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
I am
ಆ
not
52 ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂದು 438 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
Not in, this is not an appellate court. You have to convince the court that you are entitled for anticipatory bail.
There is a complaint and counter complaint.
Don't go on blaming the sessions court. You have to make out a ground.
My lord, in this case,
Huh.
in this case, there is a complaint and counter complaint, same sections, my lord.
Yeah,
The FIR number 101 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು additional ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 301. My lord, ಇಲ್ಲಿ the knife which is being said that that is being thrown is brought by the complainant himself, my lord.
Sorry.
Because there is no
But-
averment in the entire order of the sessions court that knife, how this
First
petitioner
appear
accused.
before the investigating officer. Investigating officer will inquire and
How-
find out the source of the knife.
Howದು Swami, I am ready to cooperate with the investigation officer, Swami.
Yes,
Uh,
any other complaints?
M- My lord, I have 2 children, I have my old parents.
Sir, you have assaulted your son, you have assaulted your wife. And
There-
now you are saying I am having 2 sons.
My lord,
Why you are sparing the other son? Go and assault him.
my lord, it's an allegation, my lord. They are only.
Everything is a
they-
allegation.
They are bald allegations, my lord.
Yes.
I have.
You have also made similar bald allegation even without any wound certificate. And you want me to rely on that. Other allegations, only allegations.
My lord.
What is this?
My lord, my wife says that ಅವತ್ ನನ್ಗೇನು ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Your son got sustained injury. Your wife sustained injuries as per the wound certificate. And according to you, all are fabricated, are all concocted, false allegations.
I'm
As if you are the only person who is saying the truth.
Swami, I am ready to cooperate with the investigation agency.
Stop
I-
it there. Don't make such allegations. So, petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant
Any
of
conditions may be
anticipatory
imposed, my lord.
on the apprehension of being arrested.
My lord, I am relying
Furthermore,
upon
of the
full
petition,
judgments.
Find the first information, making specific allegations that the petitioner, being his sister's husband, used to pick up quarrel with the wife, pick up quarrel with the sister of the informant. And on the date of incident, he picked up quarrel and assaulted the informant with a knife and caused injuries. The wound certificate pertaining to the informant discloses that he has sustained one simple injury, that is the cut lacerated wound over the neck. It is relevant to refer
Yes, sir.
to crime number 52 of 2024, registered by the wife of the petitioner, making similar allegations and committing the offense under section 498A, 323 and 504 of IPC, and causing injury to his son. The wound certificate of the wife of the petitioner, produced by the learned HCGP, discloses that sustained 2 simple injuries. One more wound certificate of one side. One more wound certificate said to be the father-in-law of the petitioner is also produced for perusal of the court, which discloses that he has also sustained, he had tenderness over lower back, which was simple in nature. It is relevant to mention that the petitioner has also filed a criminal complaint registered in crime number 102 of 2024 against the informant against the informant in the present case and two others. The wife of the petitioner is registered from therefore, it is clear that in respect of the incident that had occurred on 28/4/2024, in all 3 FIRs were claimed to be registered. One by the petitioner, one by the petitioner, the other by his wife, and one more by his brother-in-law. None of these persons has sustained any grievous injuries. It is not the contention of the prosecution that the petitioner is having any criminal antecedents. Considering all these facts and circumstances, I am of opinion that petitioner may be granted anticipatory subject to conditions which will take care of so and so. Petition allowed, subject to conditions.
Much obliged, my lord.
Serial number 5, Harish Kumar HC.
Also,
Serial number 6, Rudrabhushan CB.
My lords, I am for the petitioner in this case.
yes, who is the
Lodge.
petitioner?
The victim wife has filed a complaint on 19th of February 2024, 19th or 20th month. The offense is,
The complainant is the wife.
yes, the complainant is the wife.
Petitioner is the sole accused.
No, my lords, he is accused number 2.
How many accused are there?
My lords, 4. In the FIR, there was only one accused.
Who is he?
Page number 15, my lords, Muhammad Attar Ali.
Who is he?
My lords, now, according to the police, he has committed the crime and my
Sir,
lords, now,
Muhammad Akhtar Ali.
correct,
He is accused number 1.
accused number 1. He is not the petitioner in this case. I'm only for the accused number 2.
When you are impleaded,
My lords, based on his confession on 22 to 2024, I have been impleaded as accused number 2 in the charge sheet.
when arrested,
My lords, 4/3, I have been taken on custody.
what about other accused?
My lords, accused number 3 is already in the custody of the police.
What about 1?
Accused number 1 also under the custody of police.
What about 4?
4, my lords, he was absconding at the time of investigation, he was caught and he is also in the police custody.
Why don't you say all the accused are
My
in
lords,
custody?
yes, but I just wanted to point out that he was absconding. My lords, charge sheet has been filed and the investigation has been completed in the month of May. My lords, my only contention is that, my lords, section 24 to 27 of the Indian Evidence Act will be attracted
Where
to
is the
this.
charge sheet?
Lords, charge sheet is at page number 34. Page number 40 is A2, that is Vipul Karmakar. In this case, the petitioner. Section 24 to 27 of the Indian Evidence Act will attract because based on the confession made by accused number 1, he has been implicated in this case and the investigation has been completed. And moreover, the complainant has given a missing complaint on 20th. On the same date, the body was found and the FIR was lodged.
Who is the complainant?
Let's victim's wife.
Victim is deceased.
Yes, deceased.
What are the facts of the case?
Let's facts of the case are on 19/2/2024 or 20/2024, because there are two dates written on the complaint. Page number 20. There are two dates written on the complaint, 19/2/22/2024. She has given a missing complaint about her husband, and after which the police have started their investigation by tracing the mobile tower locations, and they found out that he was in that location where he got murdered, Malaj. After that, they caught A1, that is Mohammed Attar Ali, and Mohammed Attar Ali was in the police custody. During the investigation, he has confessed about A2, and based on his confession, they have arrested A2.
Yes, what are the facts of the case?
Lord, page, my lord, kindly, page 65, my lord, kindly.
Hmm?
65 of the, my lord, just of the charge sheet, column number 17 charge sheet.
Hmm.
The allegation, specific allegation against this petitioner also, my lord.
Hmm.
In page 66, my lord. Page 66, my lord, starting from ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು accused number 2 ಮತ್ತು 4 ಆರೋಪಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅತ್ತರ್ ಅಲಿಯನ್ನು ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಮಿತ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಿಂದ ಹಳೆಯ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡುವಂತೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 2 ಖದೀರ್ ಅಜಮ್ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು A3 ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅತ್ತರ್ ಶವವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಲು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರ್ ಮಜೀದ್ ಅವರ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಚೀಲವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು
Sir, who
ಮತ್ತು
caused the death?
please, my lord.
Who caused the death?
My lord, the next sentence it is, my lord, the last ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನಂತರ ಎರಡನೇ ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ page number?
ಅದೇ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 66 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
66 ನಲ್ಲಿ
ಮೈ
ಏನಿದೆ
ಪಿಟಿಷನ್.
sir? 66 is the
ಅಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ
order
ಪೇಜ್
sheet.
ಅವರು.
ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅವ್ರು
Malaj, I have served the
facts
copy.
ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ.
I have
ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್
served the-
ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ, my lord.
ಬಿಡಿ, I will go through this. What is the name of the deceased?
ಅತ್ತರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, Attar Ali is the A1. Mohammed Attar.
ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅಖ್ತರ್ ಅಲಿ.
Attar Ali.
ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್
yes.
ಅತ್ತರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes.
ನೀವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್
No,
ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
Malaj.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಂದು
I-
ಪೇರು ಬೇಲ್
I
ಅಂತ
apologize. I apologize.
ಅಜೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Heard. Counsel for the petitioner is not in a position to highlight the basic facts of the case. Let's list on. Next.
Serial number 7, Chidambar Swarup CP.
The Lordships, this is a 439 CRPC petition. The petitioner is the sole accused in the crime, Your Lordships. He was arrested on 26/2023, and he has been in judicial custody for a period of 1 year as of today, Your Lordships. Investigation has been completed, charge sheet has been filed, and the offences are under section 302, 201, and 204 of IPC, Your Lordships. Now, coming to the facts of the case, Your Lordships,
Where is the charge sheet?
Your Lordships, I have filed.
Page number,
The complaint is in page number 13, Your Lordship.
charge sheet.
Charge.
Column number 17.
Page number 25, your lordships. Annexure D.
Come to page 39.
The FIR was lodged by the beat police officer against an unknown person, your lordships.
You please read that page 39, column number 17.
ಈ ದೋಷಾರೋಪಣ ಪತ್ರ ಅಂಕಣ 12ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮೂದಿಸಿರುವ ಆರೋಪಿ ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರರವರು ತನ್ನ ಬಾಪ್ತು KS so and so ಬಜಾಜ್ ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಶ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ದಿನಾಂಕ 17/6/2023 ಕ್ಯಾತ್ಸಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ತಾಡಿದ್ದು ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಆರೋಪಿ ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋದಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೀದಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ನಿನ್ನ ದುರಂಕಾರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು ಎಂದು ಕಿಚಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಈ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಜಗಳವಾಗಿ ನಂತರ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾತ್ಸಂದ್ರ ಕಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾರಣಕಪಾಳ್ಯ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ವೀರಶೈವ ರುದ್ರಭೂಮಿ ಗೇಟ್ನ ಮುಂಭಾಗ ಮಲಕೈಕೊಳ್ಳು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು. ಆರೋಪಿಯ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಿ ತೀರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ತೆಗೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಈತನು ಮುಗಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 18/6/2023 ರಾತ್ರಿ 2:15 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾತ್ಸಂದ್ರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆ ಸರಹದ್ದು so and so ಗ್ರಾಮ ವೀರಶೈವ ರುದ್ರಭೂಮಿ ಗೇಟ್ನ ಮುಂಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿಯ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿಯನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಿಗೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಆಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿದು ವೀರಶೈವ ರುದ್ರಭೂಮಿಯ ಗೇಟ್ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಆಟೋದ ಲೈಟ್ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆರೋಪಿ ತನ್ನ ಆಟೋದ ಸೀಟನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಿನಿಂದ ಲಾಂಗ್ ತೆಗೆದು ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತಲೆಗೆ ಹಿಂಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆರೋಪಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ 5ರಿಂದ 6 8 ಲಾಂಗ್ ನಿಂದ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತಲೆಗೆ ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ತಿಪ್ಪೇಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತೀವ್ರ ರಕ್ತಸ್ರಾವವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಆರೋಪಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕೃತ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ದ ಆಟೋ ಮತ್ತು ಕೃತ್ಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಾದ ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಆರೋಪಿ so and so ಸಾಕ್ಷಿದಾರ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊರಕೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಆರೋಪಿ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಆರೋಪಿ ಸಾವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Now coming to the grounds, your lordships, firstly there is no eyewitness, your lordships. Secondly, the alleged attempt made by the prosecution to establish a last scene theory by using the police officers, your lordships, cannot be relied because of a subsequent 161 statement that is of a security guard which is contrary to the police statement, your lordships. If your lordships kindly peruse the page number 88, your lordships, which is the voluntary statement. In the alleged voluntary statement, your lordships, he goes on to state that 2 police officers were there when he had went with the auto. However, after 2 months of taking the voluntary statement, your lordships, they bring in the security guard out of nowhere, your lordships, where he goes on to state that he was also present, which goes to show that the last scene theory cannot be established, your lordships. And furthermore, the prosecution has not produced any witness to show as how the petitioner and the deceased person were even known to each other, and even not brought forward any independent witness with respect to the intention, lordships.
The instance of this petitioner, my lord, blood stained, my lord, the machete has been, my lord, it's been recovered. And also, my lord, the blood stained shirt and blood stained pant also recovered from the instance of this petitioner. As per the PM report, my lord, the death is due to, my lord, the multiple chop injuries,
PM report,
face
have
and
you
head.
produced? You have not produced.
Apologies, your lordships.
How many injuries?
My lord, there are 6 injuries on the, my lord, the body, my lord. Also, my lord, he has shown the my lord place of incident also, my lord.
Only based on the admission made by the voluntary statement and the recovery,
Yes, recovery is a very
but your lordships,
strong prima facie evidence.
but that will be proved only after the trial, your lordships. But for the purpose of bail, your lordships, he is already aged more than 60 years. He has been in custody for a period of 1 year. Only in the previous date, he was charged, your lordships. And with respect to last in theory also,
There are strong prima facie materials.
your lordships, there is no witness to even to show.
Not necessary. Not necessary. Eyewitnesses are not necessary in all the cases.
But if intention is also not established, your lordship, as to why he killed. Your lordships, with utmost respect, I would like to withdraw and has not pressed and filed after the
Yes.
evidence, your lordships.
Petitioner, after addressing the argument at length, seeks permission to withdraw the petition.
Serial number 8, Gautam M.
3 days short accommodation maybe. For the petition, 3 days accommodation. Senior counsel has been engaged.
You have no objection to IA 1 of 2024
For the
by the
assist,
applicant, complainant to assist the prosecutor
yes, yes.
or learned counsel for the petitioner and learned counsel for the applicant on IA 1 of 2024. The reason stated in the application, IA 1 of 2020, application affidavit and notebook. IA 1 of 2024 is allowed. Applicant being the informant is permitted to assist the learned HCGP. Yes, IA allowed. Next, counsel for the petitioner pays for time to address argument on merit.
Take on Monday, my lords.
Next.
Serial number 9, Unnappa S.
I am for petitioner in this case, my lord.
Yes,
The
report
offense,
whether served. HCGP, learned HCGP submits that the notice to respondent number 2 is already served.
the offences are under section 66E and 67D and section 12 of POCSO, to 14 of POCSO Act, my lord. The allegation as per the complaint is that the petitioner and along with his friends, he has created some deepfake photos of the complainant daughter and spread it in the social media, my lord. Kindly come to page number 12, my lord, which is annexure B, complaint, my lord. May I
Who is
read?
the complainant?
Complainant is the mother of the victim, my lord. The daughter is aged about 15 years, my lord. The present petitioner age is about 18 years, my lord. He is a second PU student, my lord. Typed copy of complaint, which is at page number 14, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
My daughter, so and so, 15 years of age, student of 9th standard, DPS North, is a part of friend group in the Instagram with all her school friends. It is a closed group and her account is so and so. People in group, a fake account was created by the mutual friend and was added into the group. After which the boy, along with other boys, morphed and did fake images of my daughter. The fake account ID is so and so. The group was made on 24 by so and 24 by so and so, into which this fake ID was added as well. On Friday morning at about 1 AM, this fake ID started sharing morphed images of my daughter on the group along with other girls. He also posted these pics on his handle for a while, but he took them down very soon. As per the complaint allegation, my lord, he has created some deepfake photos of the victim, daughter of the complainant, my lord,
Yes.
and spread those photos in the social media. And soon after sharing, immediately has deleted the photos, my lord. This is the allegation, my lord. But
Really they deleted.
in the last line, madam, but he took them down very soon.
Hmm.
The petitioner is arrested on 29/5/2024, my lord. Almost 2 months he is in custody, my lord. And the allegation as per the complaint, the petitioner is nowhere connected with the ID which was created by the other persons, my lord. Initially, the police has registered a FIR for the offences under section 66E, 67B of IT Act and under section 12 and 14 of the POCSO Act, my lord.
Yes.
Later, the police has given a requisition stating that by oversight, we have mentioned the section 12 of the POCSO Act, my lord. Later, the magistrate has deleted the section 12, my lord. And petitioner is the student, my lord. He is aged about 18 years, my lord. He is a student. He is a second PU student, my lord.
Yes. Yes, what is?
164 of the victim.
Hmm?
Specifically names.
Initially, the FIR is registered in unknown persons, my lord.
Unknown ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Apology, my lord. Sorry.
Charge sheet is not yet filed.
Not at filing, still under investigation.
Let the charge sheet be filed.
My lord, he is a student, my lord.
Yes.
Already from past 2 months, he is in custody, my lord.
The informant 164, she has specifically stated.
But in the complaint, the incident took place on 24th, my lord. There is a delay of 3 days for filing the complaint.
Naturally, in these cases, though, no one will rush to the police station immediately.
Yes, ma'am, but the said
is a-
offences are
there
not
is
punishable with
online complaint.
life or
So,
only 5 years punishment is there, my lord.
Yes. Petitioner being the sole accused, seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 29/5/2024. Since then, he is in judicial custody. Next, the mother of the victim was aged 15 years and was studying in 9th standard. Filed the first information against fake Instagram handler and creator of a specific account, making specific allegations that the accused had uploaded deep fake photos of the victim girl in the Instagram by using the Instagram ID at _Spousal_45. During investigation, it was found that during investigation, statement of the victim was recorded by the learned magistrate, wherein the victim has specifically stated about the offense committed by the petitioner. In the meantime, the petitioner was also apprehended and the investigation was undertaken. It is stated that the investigation is not yet completed and the charge sheet is also not filed. Considering the nature and seriousness of the offense, I am assuming that the petitioner is not entitled for grant of bail at this stage, as the investigation is not yet completed. Dismissed.
Serial number 10, Sampath Kumar AV. And for petition.
Let's kindly pass over, my lords.
Then the HCGP submits that the notice to respondent number 2 is served.
Pass over, my lords.
Yes, pass over. Next.
Serial number 11, Narasimha Rajesh.
And for the petitioner mail.
Yes.
The petitioner is the accused number 1. There are 7 accused. Accused number 6 and 7 are no more. The alleged offense are under section 201, 406, 409, 419, 420, 465, 466, 467, 468, 471, 472. Read with section 34 IPC. Now your Honorship may kindly see the sections invoked as against this petitioner is under 420, 406 and 409 of IPC.
Yes.
The facts of the case, my lord, the petitioner was the bank manager. And the
Bank.
subsequent manager,
Which bank?
Canara Bank. The subsequent manager lodged a complaint against the borrower and other guarantor and others. In the FIR, the name of the petitioner was not mentioned. And subsequently, while filing the charge sheet, he has been arraigned as a accused number 1. The case of the complainant that the accused number 2 availed a loan in a sum of 2 crores, 25 lakh by mortgaging the property of one Rukmini Bai. She was the accused number 7. She is no more now. And at that time, the total 3.44 acres has been mortgaged. And after verification, the bank manager came to know that only 50 cents land has been converted. And other property was not converted. Fake document conversion order has been submitted to the bank.
Yes.
So after investigation, the investigating officer made this petitioner as accused number 1. The page number 45, your lordship may kindly see. The column number 17, page number 45.
Page
The-
number 45. or
45, column number 17.
17 is at page number 52.
Sorry, my lord,
ಎಲ್ಲ- ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಸಾರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳೋಣ? Yes.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ದಿ ದೋಷಾರೋಪಣಾ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯ ಕಲಂ 12ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮೂದಿಸಿರುವ ಆರೋಪಿತರುಗಳ ಮೇಲಿನ ದೋಷಾರೋಪಣ ಏನೆಂದರೆ, ಮಂಗಳೂರು ತಾಲೂಕು, ಮಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರದ 2ನೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರದ ಉತ್ತರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆ.
Into 4 pages, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಯಾರ ಆಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್.
Yes.
ಇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಯಾರ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ SME ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿನ ರಾಮಭವನ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಸಾಲ ಪಡೆದು ವಂಚಿಸುವ ಇರಾದೆಯಿಂದ ದಿನಾಂಕ 15/7/13ರಿಂದ 15/7/2015 ತನಕ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ 1ನೇ ಆಪಾದಿತ, 2, 3, 4, 5 ಮತ್ತು 6ನೇ ಆಪಾದಿತರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶಾಮೀಲಾಗಿ 2ನೇ ಆಪಾದಿತ ಬೋಟು ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಸಾಲ ಪಡೆಯುವರೇ 7 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ನೇದರ ನಕಲಿ ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಂಟ್ವಾಳ ತಾಲೂಕು ಪಿಲಿಮೊಗರ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಜಾಗದ ಸಾಗುವಳಿ ಚೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ತೆರಿಗೆ ಪಾವತಿಸಿದ ರಶೀದಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಜೆ ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿ ಬಾಯಿ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಭೂ ಪರಿವರ್ತಿತ ಆದೇಶದ ಹಿಂಬರ ದಾಖಲಾತಿಯ ನೈಜತೆಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸದೆ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡುವರೆ. ದಿ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜೆಂಟ್
No.
at that time. ದಿ
Super interpretation.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಹಾಗೆ, ಅವರು ದಾಖಲಾತಿಯ ನೈಜತೆಯನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸದೆ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡುವರೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಶಿಫಾರಸಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ದಾಖಲಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ 2ನೇ ಆಪಾದಿತನಿಗೆ ಸಾಲ ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಿ ಬಳಿಕ ಸಾಲದ ಹಣ ಉದ್ದೇಶಿತ ಬೋಟು ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗೆ ತೊಡಗಿಸದೆ ಸ್ವಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು 2ನೇ ಆಪಾದಿತನಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಾದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಅಪರಾಧಿಕ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಎಸಗಿ ನಷ್ಟವನ್ನುಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಂ 406, 409, 420 ರೆಡ್ ವಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 34 ಅಂತ IPC ಅಂತೆ ಅಪರಾಧ ಎಸಗಿರುವುದಾಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ allegation as against this petition.
Yes.
The petition is filed under 438 of CRPC for anticipatory bail. The charge sheet already filed. And furthermore,
Loan
The
of 2.25 crores. Loan amount is 2.25.
yes, my press. Idharli, actually the legal opinion is also obtained.
Only the thing, I could not make out the whether original or fake document. That is only the, as against the allegation against the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
And
what is-
there is no allegation that I have received any commission or nothing. There is no allegation in the entire charge sheet.
Understood.
Charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ sir. At least charge sheet complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, ma'am.
Lord, in 2016, my lord, it's FIR. Now we are in 2024, my lord. Past 9 years, my lord, petition has been, my lord, absconding, my lord.
in the
But
charge sheet
charge sheet is filed on, my lord, 2023 December, my lord. Now, my lord, it is CC now pending in 18/2024. my lord. All these, my lords,
In the charge sheet, whether he is shown as absconding.
yes, my lord, he has shown as, in the first page itself, he has shown as absconding. Page, my lord, kindly. He
Age
is,
of
moreover,
the-
my lord, the petitioner is a permanent resident of, my lord, Kerala.
He is not working now. Retired.
Retire. But ಅವ್ರು absconding ಅಂತೇಳಿ actually phone ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರು cooperated with the investigation. But purposefully they have mentioned it as a absconding. In the petition also I clearly narrated.
Here, so, petitioner being a
One
criminal
submission,
seeking grant of anticipated bail.
aged and
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, no
ಅಲ್ಲ
mercy.
charge sheet ಹಾಕಿ ಆಗಿದೆ and he will appear before the court regularly.
He'll- Unfortunately,
And
taxpayer.
furthermore,
money ಎಲ್ಲ
other
ಇದೆ.
accused already granted bail by this court, anticipatory bail only. The petition number,
No,
my lord,
no anticipated bail.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಉಳಿದವರಿಗೆ anticipatory bail ಆಗಿದೆ, parity ground ಅಲ್ಲಿ at least.
That is during investigation,
Yes.
not absconding accused.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ accused.
You are the main kingpin, sir. You are the manager.
But allegation is only that I have, ನನಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು, ಅದು refer to the head office.
Note the 2.25 crores loan
But head office ನವರು sanction ಮಾಡಿ sir, ನಾನಲ್ಲ sanction ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. It is
on your recommendation, it was sanctioned.
actually I,
As a
on the
manager-
basis of the ABM and other stuff, I do the work.
Petitioner being accused of one is seeking grant of anticipated bail on the apprehension of being arrested. Next, the present manager of Canara Bank filed the first information against 3 accused persons alleging commission of the offense that alleging that they have furnished fake documents and managed to get loan of rupees 2.25 crores. During investigation, it was found that the petitioner, being the manager at the relevant point of time, colluded with the other accused and concocted the quotation, the documents pertaining to the landed property belonging to deceased accused number 7, including the conversion order, and sanctioned the huge amount of rupees 2.25 crores. Accused number 2 was the borrower. When the informant verified the security given by accused number 2, it revealed that out of 3.40 acres of land, only 50 cents was converted into non-agricultural one, whereas the other portion of the landed property has remained as agricultural land. However, the documents were concocted to show that the entire extent of the land was converted into non-agricultural for the purpose of obtaining the loan. Next part. During investigation, the petitioner remained absconding. The charge sheet was going to be filed during December 2023, showing this petitioner as absconding, alleging commission of offense punishable under section 406, 409, and 420 of IPC.
Sorry for interfering.
Till date, the petitioner managed to remain absconding, considering the nature and seriousness of the allegations. In the conduct of the petitioner, I am of the opinion that the petitioner is not entitled for grant, accordingly dismissed.
My lords, one
Yes.
submission.
Hmm.
Summons issue ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Trial court.
Absconding
good.
charge sheet ಇದೆ.
Charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ summons issue ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ charge sheet ನಲ್ಲಿ you are shown as absconding, sir.
But actually ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. We have already.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡೋದು. Next,
Serial number 12, Manoj SN.
Petition. Kindly pass over, Manoj. Just produce a copy of the charge sheet.
Pass over.
Serial number 13, Venkatesh White.
Pass over.
Serial number 14, Suyog Erle.
Yes, report.
For the petitioner, Manoj.
HCGP suggested. Yes.
Lords, sole accused, my lords. Lords, offense alleged, my lords, under section 363, 376, 3,
363,
376, 3.
363.
Please, my lords.
Ah.
376 clause 3.
Okay.
Then, my lords, 4, 8, and 12 of POCSO Act.
Who is the complainant?
Initially, mother is the complainant. Initially, missing complaint was, my lords, lodged on 27/12/2023, alleging from 23/12/2023, the minor girl was not, my lords,
Age,
16 years, my lords.
when you are arrested,
Please, my lords.
when you are arrested,
My lords, on 2/2/2024.
charge sheet is filed,
Please, my
page number,
lords, page number 26, my lords, column number 17. And, my lords, 164 statement of the victim, my lords, has been recorded twice. That's all.
not supported,
My lords, in the first 164 statement, my lords, on recorded on 2/1/24. My lords, she says she voluntarily went along with, my lords, the petitioner, since, my lords, they had, my lords, developed a relationship, my lords. Subsequently, after 1 month, my lords, one more 164 statement was recorded. There, my lords, she says that, my lords, they had indulged, my lords, physical relationship.
yes, 164.
Page number 31. But in page number 32, my lord, third line, my lord.
In actually elopement. Petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 2/2/2024. Then he is in judicial custody. Mother of the victim lodged the missing complaint. During investigation, the victim and the victim was rescued. Her statement was recorded where she stated that she was in love with the petitioner. And both of them went to Hassan and thereafter to Bengaluru. They stayed together in the petitioner's aunt's house where they had a physical relationship. The victim also states that the aunt of the petitioner scolded her as well as the petitioner, as they are still teenaged. After investigation, charge sheet is filed. Even according to the prosecution, the petitioner and the victim were having an affair, as a result of which both of them went out of the city and later had physical relationship. It is pertinent to note that the petitioner is aged. It is pertinent to note that the victim is aged 16 years and the petitioner is said to be aged 21 years. Considering all these facts and circumstances, I am of the opinion that the petitioner may be enlarged on bail, subject to conditions, as otherwise detention of the petitioner in custody may have allowed subject to conditions.
Much obliged.
Serial number 15, Purushottam ji.
I'm appearing for petitioner, my lord. Offense under section 363 and 380 of IPC, my lord.
Yes.
The complaint is given by the wife against the petitioner, who is the husband, to kidnapping the 9-year-old son. My lord, prior to that, my lord, the one more complaint, FIR came to be registered against the petitioner, husband, and his sister, and his wife, and his friend, under section 498A, 504, 420, and 354, which has been enlarged on anticipatory, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, second FIR came to be registered for kidnapping his son, my lord. My lord, I take to complainant page number 10, my lord.
Which is that complaint crime number?
Complaint number, madam, crime number 211 bar 2024, dated 31/3/2024, madam.
That is under 498A.
498, madam. Complaint page number 10, my lord. ನಾನು ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯ
One minute. Page number 8, gist of the complaint.
Yes. ನಾನು ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯ ವಿಳಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದು
Yes. yes.
The allegation is that my lord, he has taken the jewelry and also the documents.
Hmm.
So that has to be recovered from.
Now, where is the son?
son with accused, my lord.
Petitioner.
Petitioner. He voluntarily went with the father, my lord.
Petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of anticipatory bail on the apprehension of being arrested. The wife of the petitioner lodged first information making specific allegations that the petitioner had kidnapped his minor son, aged 9 years, and also taken away the gold jewelries and important documents with him. Next part. They stated that the informant in the present case had filed the first information against the petitioner, alleging commission of the offence punishable under section 498A of IPC, which is registered in crime number 211 of 2024 on 31/3/2024. Later, the present information was going to be lodged on 27/4/2024, alleging that on 9/4/2024, the petitioner had committed the offence. It is stated that the minor son aged 9 years is with the petitioner till today. Looking to the relationship between the informant and the petitioner, and also the allegations made in both the complaints, I am of opinion that the petitioner may be granted anticipatory subject to conditions which will take care of solution. When the additional haki, if the investigating officer is of opinion that the petitioner is required for further for normal conditions. Allowed subject to conditions.
No problem.
Serial number 16, R.P. Chandrasekhar.
Petition. Petitioner is accused number 1, my lords. In all, accused number 1 to 3, FIR is lodged. Offences 307, 353 and 34 of IPC. my lord. Accused number 1 is arrested. 2 and 3 is not yet arrested. Respondent police. Now, date of arrested is on 30/5/24 minutes.
When?
35/24. 35/24.
Yes.
The case of the complainant, my lord, the PSI 1 Kolar rural station. He received the credible information. In crime number, he registered in the same police station, crime number 142 of 2024. They go to search the accused, the PSI and the staff. That time the accused assault the PSI and one PC.
No, earlier complaint.
Earlier complaint, crime number 142/24, my lord. They enlarged on bail, my lord.
142 of
2024.
Ah.
He is enlarged on bail by the Sessions Court on 28 May 24, my lordship.
yes.
Page number 28.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Because 28 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 30ಕ್ಕೆ ಜೈಲಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬರೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಜೈಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Complaint is, in this case, complaint is lodged on 12/4/24. Up till 12/4/24, 35/24, they are not any made to taken for body warrant or any securing. 28ಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಜೈಲಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 30ಕ್ಕೆ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಶೂರಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. In this crime. That orders on 28/5/24. In this crime, arrested on 35/24. Up till
What is the allegation, sir?
allegation the knife ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
PSI ಗೆ.
ಆ PSI ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ ಅವರು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನನಗೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ನೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೈರ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾಡಿಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 15ಗೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ 142 ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇನ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 142/24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15ಕ್ಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ.
15/5.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, 15/4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾನು 11ಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ 15/4ಕ್ಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 142/24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes. What is?
He has assaulted the police officer, my lord.
ಏನು ಓನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes,
ಗುಡ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ.
simple injury.
ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ
Right
The
arm,
one injury.
forearm. Only one injury, my lord, that is simple.
Petitioner, being accused number 1, is seeking grant of bail. Was apprehended on 30/5/2024. Since then, he is in judicial custody. Next part. Initially, crime number 142 of 2024 was registered against the petitioner and others, and the informant in the present case undertook investigation investigation. It is stated that when the informant, being the woman PSI, tried to apprehend the petitioner in crime number 142 of 2024, the petitioner has committed the offense by assaulting the informant with a sharp-edged weapon and caused bleeding injuries. The petitioner was shot at his leg from the service revolver of the informant, and he was apprehended on 15/4/2024. Next part. It is stated that the petitioner was granted bail by the Learned Sessions Court, by the Learned Sessions Judge on 28/4/2024. He was released from the prison on 30/4/2024, and immediately he was taken into custody in the present case. It is pertinent to note that the petitioner was in custody till 30/5/2024, and thereof was in custody from 15/4/2024 till date. The wound certificate of the injured informant discloses that she has sustained multiple scratch abrasions over right forearm, which is simple in nature. Considering all these facts and circumstances, I am of the opinion the petitioner may be enlarged on bail subject to conditions which will take care of surrender. Allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 17, Arjun, 18, Uday Prakasham.
Application. 376 and 417 is the offenses. FIR is registered. Complaint is at ink page number.
Accused.
Sole accused. Sole
Complainant is the victim.
victim.
Age,
Her age is 30 years.
38.
30.
Yes.
Ink page number 15 is the complaint. My lord, typed copy is at page number 18. The allegation starts somewhere in the mid, where after the second sentence, my lord. But after 2 weeks, that is regarding the accused, but after 2 weeks, his father said the Kundli is not a good match. He will check with Pandit and find some solution to it. Meanwhile, me and Abhishek started talking on call. I'm reading the typed copy. We started meeting. Also, he made me meet his mother in September. He went to his home, Lucknow, between October and November. There also said he is trying to convince his father. One time he is agreeing, next he is saying no. But he will convince him no matter what. He was nice to me. He used to call me every day. Meanwhile, my parents started introducing to other guys. For that, Abhishek said, you reject all the guys who those are coming for you, and I will reject all the girls. So I was rejecting all the guys for silly reasons, but with one guy, my parents were 100% happy. But I was already with Abhishek and we decided to marry each other. So I never used to reply properly to his chats and calls. And at the end, that guy rejected me, saying that you are more after your work since October. December, we have not built a good bonding. I was happy because now the only option left with my parents is Abhishek. Abhishek tried to get intimate with me from the beginning, but he was not comfortable. That's why I used to reject his gesture and he used to get upset about it. But eventually relented because he is the guy I want to marry. And we became physically close. This is one allegation which is found. they skip off this next sentence, my lord, next paragraph. December, his parents came to Bangalore and me and his parents met each other in December 28, 2023. That time also he said he will marry me. He will do all the fights to it takes for him. At the same time, when he saw that I have rejected all the guys for him and I am left with no one, he started fighting with me for small thing like why I had not watched his favorite TV show.
Present, where is he?
He's in Bangalore.
Hmm?
He's in Bangalore.
They stated immediately after commission of the offense, he went to Singapore.
He went to Singapore. Thereafter, he came back.
Hmm.
There was no cheating, my lord, so far as Act of 376 might not apply is my respectful submission.
Hmm.
Because they were in a relationship and the only thing is before traveling to Singapore, they had intimate relationship and the word in, my lord, physical forcefully is what has been cited.
Hmm.
But that intercourse has been inserted later, my lords. So there was no cheating. The intention was to initially get married, but since the parents did not agree, so at the inception itself, there was no mind to cheat. And whatever was consensual, my lord, the applicability of 376 or 417, my respectful submission is would not be there. He is ready to cooperate with the investigation agency, my lord. So
Yes, what is it?
My lord, in the complaint, my lord, she had stated that, my lord, on 8th February 2024, my lord,
Hmm.
that particular day, my lord,
Committed the offense.
accused also, my lord.
Hmm.
He was angry and he did physical intercourse forcefully, my lord.
Hmm.
Earlier allegations, my lord, that he still had the contact with the ex-girlfriend. Also,
Conditional order. If you want him for custodial interrogation, get him. The petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of anticipatory bail on the apprehension of being arrested. The victim lodged the first information making specific allegations stating that she was having relationship with the petitioner for quite some time. And both of them have decided to marry. It is stated that later the petitioner started fighting with the informant for silly reasons. And started saying that he is not going to marry her. On 8th February 2024, he came to the victim and had forcible sexual intercourse. And on the next day, he went to Singapore. Therefore, the petitioner lodged the first, therefore the informant lodged first information making specific allegations. Next paragraph. When counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is now in the address mentioned in the petition as he has already returned in Singapore. And he will make himself available to the investigating officer and cooperate in the investigation. Considering it is pertinent to note that the victim is aged 30 years, whereas the petitioner is aged 34 years. Considering all these facts and circumstances and the nature of the allegations, I am of the opinion that petitioner may be granted anticipatory bail subject to conditions which will say and so and so. Additional condition. If the investigating officer is of the opinion that the petitioner is required for custodial interrogation, he may subject him for such interrogation after getting the permission from the jurisdictional magistrate. Sorry, I will have. allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 19, Mahesh's.
My lord's kind permission.
Hmm.
The informant victim has instructed us to file necessary application to assist the prosecution. I'm filing it today. The matter may be taken up. Illa, this is the first time appearing before this. First
ಅದು
time.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಎನಿವೇ ಮೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ of course subject to I am not trying to take away his whatever
Let
audience
him file it.
very well
So submits that.
but short date may kindly be granted and ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ main accused ಗೆ lordship was pleased to grant anticipatory
Informant to file wakalat and pays for time to file objections after filing the wakalat.
Monday better.
List down.
Tuesday.
List down. Next.
Published.
Serial number 20,
Date Tuesday.
Single.
I'm so sorry to interfere.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
Tuesday. Grateful.
Shashank.
439 petition. The petitioner herein is accused number 5. There are totally 7 accused in the matter. A 1, 3 and 5 are in custody. 2, 6, 7 are absconding. 6 and 7. 4 is dead.
When arrested
18/3/2024.
for the offense.
Offense is 397, 397, 398, 450, 459, 400, 401, 201, 120B, read with 25 clause 1A, 27 clause 1 of the Arms Act. But in this, a brief fact of the case is that A1 to 4 enter into a jewelry shop using arms. At which point A1
What is the arms?
arms, they have the recovery is made in page 105. They're all nati pistolu matte. They're all the ones which they've gotten from Gwalior, my lord. However, A5 is the petitioner. I would like to stress on that aspect. So A1 to A4 enter the
Sheet is already filed.
charge sheet agide, charge sheet agide.
Delhi the charge sheet.
Charge sheet is at page
17.
Yes. Page number 58 is column number 17. If I may read,
No, relevant portion you said.
yes, just the relevant portion is on from the 10th line. Lord, it starts from ದಿನಾಂಕ 9/3/2024 ರಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ just one line before that, I'm so sorry. A1 ರಿಂದ A4 ಆರೋಪಿತರುಗಳು ದಿನಾಂಕ 7/3/2024 ರಂದು ಗ್ವಾಲಿಯರ್ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ನಿಂದ ಹೊರಟು ದಿನಾಂಕ 9/3/2024 ರಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ತಲುಪಿದ್ದು, ನಂತರ ಅವರನ್ನು A5, A7 ಆರೋಪಿತರುಗಳು ಸೋಲ್ದೇವನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣಾ ಸರಹದ್ದಿನ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯಾಳುವಾದ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1 ರವರು ಕೃತ್ಯ ನಡೆದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ದೇಹದ ಖಾಸಗಿ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಖಾಸಗಿ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬ್ಯಾಲ್ಕೆರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ದುರ್ಗೇಶ್ ಎಂಬುವರು ಸೇರಿದ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ದಿನಾಂಕ 9/3/2020 ರಂದು ರಿಂದ ದಿನಾಂಕ 11/3/2020 A1 ರಿಂದ A6 ಆರೋಪಿತರುಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಉಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ದರೋಡೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಚು ರೂಪಿಸಿದ್ದು, ನಂತರ 11/3/2024 ರಂದು ರಾತ್ರಿ A5 ಆರೋಪಿತನು ತಾನು ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಆವಲಹಳ್ಳಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣಾ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯ ಬಿದರಳ್ಳಿ ಹೋಬಳಿಯ ಬಯಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗುಂಡೂರ್ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ ಕಮ್ಮಸಂದ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಆರೋಪಿತರನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಉಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 is that ಇವರು ಉಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ he has only arranged.
No, conspired with them.
But my lord, there are no
To commit the dacoity.
my lord, even if you see A1, the first line also it says A1, 2, 3, 4 ಆರೋಪಿತರುಗಳು 2024 ಇಸ್ವಿಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
Simple meaning we have to attach. You cannot interpret in your own way.
Absolutely. My lord, he has not gone to the location where the incident takes place.
Yes.
He does not steal the bikes which are used for the alleged robbery. There are no weapons recovered from him. There are no weapons recovered from him. Page number 105 clearly states that the weapons which are recovered are only from A1 and A3. And A5 only joins them at the in the train, which is going towards Gwalior railway station on 16/3. In between, he has no role to play. He has no role to play. Even if I have to move downwards on that column number 17, Dinanka 13/3/2024, just below where I read, my lord. If I may.
1 minute. ಎಲ್ಲ behind the screen arrangements ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು.
My lord, he has not.
Acting ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
My lord, even the charge sheet does not say that there was any role in procuring the weapons. He has not even gone and seen the premises where the jewelry robbery takes place. He doesn't know where it takes place.
Yes.
They claim, and it is only the voluntary statement of the accused who say that A5 was with them. Adabittu, there is no other statement. How are the victims, that is CW 1 and 2, they have recovered and they're heart and healthy. It does not take off the right that they were injured. However, they are out of danger.
What is the injury, nature of injury?
CW1.
How many injured?
Only 2. CW1 ge shoulder alli he gets shot, and CW2 gets shot in 2 places, one in the abdomen area, one right next to the chest area. All 3 fires were opened by accused number 1. Admitted fact, A1 to A4 were at the premises. 164 allu he identifies in the CCTV camera when they show it to him that these 4 persons were there, that is A1 to A4. Nowhere, no other witness states this. Not on this ground, and he is in custody from 18/3/2024.
Yes.
He has, the investigation is completed, charge sheet has been filed. On that ground, I request.
Yes.
Honorable.
Lord, the petitioner, my lord, he was in the work of tiles, my lord. He was in Bangalore from a long time, my lord. He used to come to Bangalore and again go to Madhya Pradesh, my lord.
No, he is from Madhya Pradesh.
He is from Madhya Pradesh, my lord. Whenever there was work, my lord, he used to come. He was acquainted with Bangalore, my lord. And he has helped all these accused persons to come down to Bangalore and commit the offense, my lord. And he was caught with the other accused persons. And my lord, the accused number 1, my lord, he is a habitual offender, my lord. There are about 15 cases against him in Madhya Pradesh, my lord. And now, my lord, with respect of other accused also, my lord, there are other cases in different states, my lord. And the other accused also, one of the accused is also absconding, my lord. 2 accused are absconding, my lord.
3. I may intervene. There are no criminal antecedents as against the petitioner here. I just wanted to add to Leonard.
My lord, this petitioner has helped them to steal the motorbikes of the other.
He has not.
He has not.
Directly
He is
involved.
not directly involved. He said that where they can do this, man. He is indirectly conspired with the other accused, my lord, and it was also agreed that he will also receive the stolen money, my lord, as they couldn't get anything from that jewelry shop, my lord. He was caught with the accused persons, my lord, and he has showed the places where they conspired together.
Two.
Petitioner, being case number 5, is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 18/3/2024. Since then, he is in judicial custody. The injured eyewitness filed the first information against unknown persons for having committed the offense faculty by causing injury, causing bullet injury in their attempt to rob the jewelry shop. In the incident, the informant and his father-in-law have sustained bullet injuries. During investigation, the petitioner was apprehended along with other co-accused. That is accused number 1 and 3. It is stated that accused number 2, 6, and 7 are still absconding. 1 and 3. Investigation is completed and charge sheet is filed. Showing accused number 2, 6, and 7 as absconding accused. It is stated that accused number 4 is no more. As per the charge sheet, the specific court act alleged against the petitioner, specific role alleged against the petitioner is that he is from Madhya Pradesh and used to come to Bengaluru very frequently. He arranged for the stay of accused number 1 to 4 who have came from Gwalior and managed the entire handiwork of committing the dacoity by accused number 1 to 4. Even on the previous day of committing the offense, it was this petitioner who arranged for the stay of the accused, and all the accused conspired to commit dacoity. It is further stated that it was this petitioner who gave the details of the travel back, give the details of the written itinerary of accused number 1 to 4 to Gwalior after committing the offense. Next, learned counsel, learned HCGP submits that accused number 1 is a habitual offender. As against him, as many as 15 cases, 15 similar cases are registered at Madhya Pradesh. Co-accused are also having criminal antecedents. But it is not the contention of the prosecution that the petitioner is having any criminal antecedents, nor there is any material to connect the petitioner to the offense in question, as it is alleged that he had managed the entire, he conspired and managed on the back end in commission of the offense. However, investigation is already completed, and it is not the contention of the prosecution that it was this petitioner who tried to rob the jewelry shop, or that it was this petitioner who caused the injuries to CWs 1 and 2. Bullet injuries and bullet injuries. Under such circumstances, I am of the opinion that the detention of the petitioner in custody would amount to pre-trial punishment. Reasonable conditions may be imposed. At least one should be local surety. Yes, allowed subject to conditions. One should be local.
Yes.
Grateful, grateful.
Serial number 21 in Padmavati.
For petitioner is short accommodation may be given. Short accommodation may be given.
You know,
I'm taking time out. And happen next week.
yeah,
That's-
first time, but counsel for the petitioner prays for time. Over. Next.
Serial number 22 urgent, 23 Praveen Kumar.
Petitioner in this matter, Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this matter.
This is an 438 petition.
To engage an advocate and file an impleading application, my lord. She seeks some time in this matter.
Yes,
Lordship, this is a 438 petition, Lordship.
yes, what to do? We cannot deny the right of the complainant.
Yes, Lordship, at least consider my interim application and
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ 1 or 2 days ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
tomorrow, Lordship.
She's seeking 1 week time.
For a minute, Lordship, kindly have a look.
Tuesday. Monday.
Monday.
Lordship, before that, Lordship, kindly have a look into the proviso of section 377, Lordship, where the definition part is provides that there should be an carnal intercourse to the,
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ.
yes, Lordship, the one humanitarian ground, Lordship, or the kid is going to the school, Lordship, and
ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
no, Lordship, please comes to the, I'm not troubling you, this honorable court, Lordship.
Complainant. HCGP, she is the complainant.
He is the complainant.
The complainant respondent.
Lordship, sorry for troubling this honorable court and
Respondent. The informant is present before the court. Seeks a week's time to engage the services of a counsel and to file an application to get herself impleaded in the matter. Yes, list on Monday.
please, Lordship.
Yeah.
The one thing, this, one respectful submission before this honorable court, Lordship, where she is not approaching district and session judge for assisting the public, the prosecutor, Lordship, where this, directly she come before this honorable court and today, and make an request before this honorable court to assist the public prosecutor, Lordship, where
Wrong
the yes, nothing is wrong, Lordship. I'm not denying at all. I'm I'm grateful for this honorable court suggestion.
You reserve your energy for Monday. Here, okay? Yes.
The petitioner's son is going to school, Lordship, unless the consideration of this interim application, Lordship, can't do anything, Lordship.
Nothing.
Grateful,
Next.
Lordship.
Very good.
This petition under section 438, my lord. The alleged offence is,
Yes,
the alleged offence is 399 and 402, my lord. The other petitioners have been granted, whether it's A5 and
the
A6.
petitioner.
Petition is accused number 4, my lord.
In all, how many accused?
In total is 6 accused, my lord, and first 3 accused have been granted regular bail.
Who was granted a bail?
A1 to A3 have been granted regular bail, and A5 and A6 have been granted bail by this honorable court, my lord.
A5
Anticipatory
and
bail.
6 and A1 to 3 are on bail,
Regular bail,
5 and 6 anticipatory.
anticipatory bail by this honorable court, my lord.
ಏನದು file ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
This is bail order, ma'am. This petition also stands on the same footing, madam. A4.
A6 ಇದು.
A6, A5 not yet uploaded, madam. It was on Monday, madam.
Yes, parity. ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Accused number 4, petitioner is accused number 4, ಎಲ್ಲ same ಇದೆ. Yes, allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 25, Nishit Kumar Shetty.
Pass over the matter.
Okay,
Pass over.
pass over. Next. Further hearing on the deal.
For further hearing, serial number 26, government advocate. Sri Hari,
Kindly pass over this matter. ma'am.
Preparing for the
Okay.
respondent in this matter.
Who is appearing?
Requesting for
They are
date to be
filing,
fixed.
ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, filing the additional documents. I have to do pagination and one document I am waiting.
Pass over.
Lordship is passing over.
Senior on VC, my lord.
26, pass over, sir.
Blessed.
They want to produce additional documents. Yes.
Lordship may kindly have it next week. In that case, I will have the document secured from my colleague in the court. Lordship may give a date
Yes.
so that we can get the documents.
Serve the copy on the other side.
Right now, I'll serve not so.
Yes. So
Now I'm not just, it is an additional round, two rounds may not serve.
let him file it. He will serve the copy later. I will adjourn the matter. Yes.
Blessed, madam.
Pass over. List number 2.
these two matters,
Number 25, my lord.
1 minute, I'll come back.
these two matters, non-compliance of office objection for first time, serial number 1 to 3.
For compliance in the.
Serial number 4, Ravi Kumar MB.
Kindly pass over, Your Honor.
Serial number 2.
Yeah,
Pass.
okay. Allah, maintainability of and other office objection. Appeal. Why it is to be passed over?
My lord,
Why it is to be passed over? Maintainability, objection raised regarding maintainability.
respondent about to obtain the bail for the offense punishable under section 354D, 354C, 376, 420, 506, 509, and 504 of IPC, and section 66 of IT Act, Your Honor. ಇಲ್ಲಿ SCST Act ಇಲ್ಲ. So hence we are moved on under section 439 surplus 2. It is maintainable.
32, section 325,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
but ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ವೋಕ್ ಆಗಿದಲ್ವಾ?
ಈ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬರ್
It's under SCST prevention is invoked.
14A ಇದೆ. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
So
5 to 8, serial number 8, Tajuddin.
May I please?
Office objection may kindly be waived, my lord.
serial number?
Maintainability of petition is maintainable. 438 directly approaching before this order. Made 8.
There are two office objections, sir.
Yes, sir. One is with regard to the 438. 538 is directly maintainable. I have produced the.
No, you have to make specific prayers.
Yes,
Your prayer should be very specific in the petition. That is first objection.
yeah.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು. ಈಗ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿ
And one is legible copy of.
ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಯ್ಯೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Replace the cost title.
I will rectify the notice may kindly be.
Whitener full.
Keeping the, I will file in a day, I will file it. Keeping the objection open and notice may kindly be. Objection, I will comply within a day, I will comply. Notice may kindly be directed.
Within a day or two. In the meantime, it's GP to take notice. Yes, note.
With regard to prior, that is specific, correct ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇನಿದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Minor objections ಇದೆ, complement.
Serial number 9 to 21.
It's easy to take notice. Private iದ್ರೆ private, special PP iದ್ರೆ special PP.
In serial number 30, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. This is under section 438. The
Notice.
alleged offences are 420 and 468.
Notice to HCGP.
I have sought interim notice.
Interim illness.
Please,
Immediately told next date of hearing, I will take up.
please.
Yes. Abhivrudhi ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು? Serial number
25.
25.
Number 25, Nishit Kumar Shetty.
Accused number 2 and 3 are granted bail by this court.
This petitioner is
Accused number 1, my lord. There is a case and counter case, my lord.
arrested on
Arrested on 27, my lord.
27 of
27/5, my lord. There is a case and counter case, my lord. The petitioner sustained the injury, my lord. His lordship while granting the bail, my lord. Observe that, my lord. In connected that accused number while granting the accused number 2 and 3, my lord.
yes.
The petitioner sustained the injuries, my lord.
Yes. Petitioner being accused number 1 is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 27/5/2024. Since then, he is in judicial custody. The injured filed the first information making specific allegations against accused numbers 1 to 6 for having committed the offences as stated above. During investigation, the petitioner was apprehended along with the co-accused. It is stated that the injured has not taken any treatment in the hospital. It is relevant to refer. It is pertinent to note that the petitioner being accused number 1 had filed a similar first information against the informant and others, which is registered in crime 100 of 2024 of Udupi Town Police Station. It is stated that petitioner has sustained as many as 15 injuries, which were found to have been sutured at the time of apprehension. It appears that there was long-standing enmity between two parties, which led to the incident. Any recovery at your
No,
instance?
no, no.
No. Admittedly, there is no recovery of any incriminating materials from the petitioner. Next one. It is brought to the notice of the court that the petitioner accused number 2 and 3 against whom similar allegations are made were granted bail by this court in criminal petition number 6382 of 2024 with an order dated 18th July 2024. Under such circumstances, I am of opinion that the petitioner is entitled for the benefit of parity and to be released on bail, subject to conditions which will allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 10.
Wait
Sampath
for
Kumar
petitioner,
Reddy.
my lords. 439 petitioner, my lords. Petitioner is his sole accused. Offense is under section.
Petitioner is
Sole accused, my lords. Sole accused.
arrested on
17/10/2023, my lords. 10/2023.
17/23.
Please, my lords.
What are the offense?
My lords, 366A, 376 subclass 2N, 4 and 6 of POCSO and section 9 of prohibition of child marriage.
Who is the complainant?
Complainant is the mother, my lords.
Victim age?
Victim age is 17 years, 6 months, my lords, as on date of offense. Now she is major.
What is your age?
My lords, 23. That's kindly 164 statement may be perused. It is at page number 62.
Age number?
62. There is a love affair between the petitioner and the complainant, my lords. 62.
victim herself eloped with the petitioner, my lords, though petitioner advised to return to his native.
So, petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 17/10/2024. Since then, he is in judicial custody. The mother of the victim lodged first information against the petitioner, making specific allegations regarding commission of offence under section 363 of IPC. Later, the victim returned back and the petitioner was apprehended. Charge sheet is filed.
Please, my lords, charge sheet is filed.
The investigation charge sheet is came to be filed. It is stated that the petitioner, it is stated that the victim who aged at 17 years and she was having an affair with the petitioner who is aged at 23 years. The statement of the victim was recorded by the learned magistrate under section 164 of CRPC, where she has stated her age as 18 years and also stated that she was having a love affair with the petitioner and voluntarily went with him and spent about 15 days together. But she has not stated anything about commission of offence by the petitioner. Now the charge sheet is already filed. Since the charge sheet is already filed, it is not the contention of the prosecution that the petitioner is required to be detained in custody. Considering the nature of the contentions, the nature of allegations, the statement of the victim under section 164 of CRPC, and also the age of the petitioner, and of the opinion, age of the victim and the petitioner, the age of the victim and the petitioner. And of opinion, petitioner may be enlarged on bail, so as otherwise detention and so on. Allowed. Allowed subject to conditions. Next.
Obey.
For further hearing, serial number 26, Government Advocate Sri Hari.
Filing the additional grounds.
HCGP filed. The application or memo, what is this?
My lord, additional grounds, my lord.
Filed additional grounds
Please.
in support of the petition seeking the cancellation of the bail along with additional documents. Have you served the copy on the other side?
Just now he was there. Senior is appearing through VC.
Yes, serial number 26.
Sri Hari, sir.
Name is mute one.
No, I others trouble.
Ask your matter, serial number 1, Natraj D, Rajshekar S.
Serial number 1.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ counsel for the petitioner at 10:30 sought for time. The order sheet dated 18/7/2024 reads as under. In view of the whole, as the matter is listed finally as a last chance, then counsel for the petitioner was requested to address his argument. When the matter was again taken up for hearing, counsel for the petitioner is absent and there is no representation. Yes, the petitioner is not interested in prosecuting the petition. Petition dismissed. Petition dismissed.
Please.
Serial number 5, Harish Kumar HC.
ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Serial number 9, Manoj SL.
9 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Serial number 9 ಅಲ್ಲ. 12.
Serial number 12, Manoj SL. Serial number 13, Venkateshu Y.
Counsel for the petitioner is absent in representation. This term. ಈಗ 12 ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿತು. ಅದು ಬಿಡಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 12 first time ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Counsel for the petitioner is absent in representation. List term. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಅಂತ.
Number 13 is first case under new act.
ಯಾವುದು?
13 is first case under new act.
ಹೊಸ ಆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹೊಸ act.
You serve the copy on the other side. Later I will adjourn this.
Serial number 4, Ravi Kumar MB.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. ಲಿಸ್ಟೇ ಮುಗಿತು. You have to prefer an appeal. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. With liberty I will dismiss ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Okay, I will file memo here.
File it. Learned counsel for the petitioner filed a memo seeking permission to withdraw the petition with liberty to file any general form. Liberty to file, prefer an appeal. And it's based on record, petition dismissed as not maintainable with liberty to file charge. Yes.
Acha.
Madam.